This lab discusses and explores the evolution of plant systems with special emphasis on water absorption and storage. Here is a cross-section of a leaf. As you can see, there are many important structures that help the plant function. The cuticle of the leaf is very waxy and it helps to prevent water evaporation in the plant. The palisade cells have chloroplasts that convert light energy into chemical energy for the plant. The stomate is an opening in the plant that allows for the flow of carbon dioxide and water into the cell. Water can also leave the plant in this way. The guard cells regulate the size of the opening of the stomate. They can close completely to prevent water loss. The spongy cells, which are also called spongy mesophyll, contain smaller chloroplasts than that of the palisade cells. They also photosynthesize. Lastly, the epidermis also helps prevent water loss and regulates gas exchange and sometimes, depending on the leaf, water absorption. This is a cactus. It is typically found in dry and arid environments. The cactus has developed reduced leaf size, very thick and tough cuticles, and well-developed root systems to help with the conservation of water. The small hair-like structures on the cactus also slow the process of water evaporation. Maples are deciduous plants that have adapted to the shortage of water during the winter. Since the water is frozen during the winter months, maples shed their photosynthetic leaves to conserve water. Pines, which also live during the winter months, maintain their leaves since the leaves they have do not have a high level of photosynthetic activity. The pine needles are reduced leaves, their stomata are shrunken, and they have a waxy cuticle. Both of these evolutionary developments conserve water. Lichen are a fungus that form a symbiotic relationship with a photosynthetic partner called a photobiont. The photobionts are able to produce food for the lichen from sunlight. The fungus can absorb soil moisture and nutrients easier than plants with roots because they tend to live in damp environments. So the fungus provides the water that the photobiont uses to continue with photosynthesis. This is a picture of grass. Grass tends to have fibrous roots and root hairs because it is able to obtain water easily. This is a picture of a thick and well-developed root, an indication of an inhabitant in a dry environment because a more complex root can extract water from the soil with ease. Seed-bearing organisms tend to be found in drier environments. The seeds hold nutrient-enriched water for the plant and can be used when needed.